Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your Android phone. It's very easy to install GTA San Andreas in your Android phone. First you needed a strong internet connection to download this game because this game size has 2.5 GB something and you needed strong internet connection. If you don't have any strong internet connection, make sure you are a Zong network user because Zong gives us many data packages and bundles and plans for the live streaming videos and gaming. So go to your dialing pad and dial *6464#. After it is showing like this and showing many types of internet bundles and promotions. We choose second one. They are showing 4 options and first one is good night offer. It seems 2.5 GB something. Our game size has remained same 2.5 GB. So we choose first one. I already subscribed this package, so I don't need it again, and I also downloaded this game from Google Chrome, and I will get the link in the description box. If you want to download this game, you will go to my channel description link and get it from there. So now I will show you how to install this game in your Android phone. Go to your internal storage where you download this game. I download this game to my SD card because my internal storage has available 4.39 GB space something. If I download this game, my storage has remained 2 point something, so that's why I don't download this game to my internal storage. I download this game to my card location. Here is a zip file of the game GTA San Andreas. When we click it, it needed to uncompress. I already extracted there. Here is a folder showing rockstargames.gta.sa. When we open it, there are showing 2 files, main.8.com rockstargames, and file size is 1.97 GB. And second one has patch8.com rockstargta. The file size has 625 MB something. So that's what we want to do. Copy this folder to the internal storage in the Android folder. Here is an Android folder and to the OBB folder. Just we needed to paste it. Here you can see the file has been copied. Make sure your file size remains same, 1.97 GB of first one, and second file size is 625 MB. After it, what just we wanna do to install the icon of the GTA San Andreas. Where is it? I think it is in my SD card. Here is it. Let's go on install it. Friends, these are the steps to install the GTA San Andreas. It's very easy. Now friends, GTA San Andreas is installed on our Android. Here is an icon, and make sure your internet connection is disabled when you open first time this game. You can see here the game is working properly now. properly. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel if you